Say hi, Chip.
Hi.
Hi, Chip. Say hi, Katie.
Hi.
Hi. Every damn day. We're on an adventure. We're at the nature center. We just finished running. What's today's date? Oh, look at geese. Or what are they called? Geese. We're coming up to geese right now.
With a red head. Look, over there's a ducky right there.
Go run in between them, you guys.
Heck no, they packed. They bit Tony's mom before.
Oh yeah, I remember.
They freaking surrounded us against the wall. There's more of them. Ugly duck with the red head. Look at it.
We're passing by.
Evil.
Oh.
Okay, next year. Look at that duck. It's the ugliest thing I've seen in my life.
It looks like a chicken.
It looks like a turkey mixed with a duck.
I know, right?
Vulture.
A bug hit me in my face. Whoa, it's hidden. Look.
Oh.
What the fuck?
It's ugly.
Say hi, you guys.
Oh, those are real duckies.
Hello. Hi,
Those are
Joe.
real duckies. This is a real
Oh, cute duckies. Okay, bye. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.